Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastlack72. As you all know me, your mentor. To the new subscribers, welcome to the channel, welcome to the community, and thanks for joining the hundreds of traders who have achieved their success. And to the returning subscribers, welcome back. So as you can see, guys, we are on gold 45-minute chart. On the previous video, we spoke about gold, GBP, USD, USD3. So I'm here to update you before the actual market breakdown for the indices, NASDAQ, US30 and German30. So I'll just go to the 30-minute chart so you can all see what I'm looking for or what I'm about to tell you. So on the previous video on gold, we were looking for buying opportunities, and guess what? We took the buying opportunities and our take profit was there. I told you guys that we are gonna reach that trade line, and guess what? We did reach that trade line. You understand? So one thing that you need or you had to see was this falling wedge. You understand? And we got that breakout and a retest and the impulse to the top side. So I took an entry on this support here, and I took an entry on this golden zone, zone to the top side. I'll just paste the screenshots on the screen. So I'll just be going on to GBP USD. On GBP USD, actually, guys, we were looking for buying opportunities too. As you can see on the previous video, I said the buying opportunities will be after the blue line if the market or the candles closes above. And guess what? This blue line was just respected and the market just kept pushing to the downside. So I have no control over the market. I just have to follow the market on what it tells me. Understand? The trend is your friend always, guys. You understand? Market is king. You can't control the market. You can't tell the market what to do. So you need to trade what you see, not what you think. You understand? So here, guys, we were looking for selling opportunities and we got those selling opportunities, but the selling opportunities never lasted. And one thing you need to know also, I took the buying opportunities from this point to the point there. Also took the selling opportunities from there to there, but then I did a break even and my stop loss got hit. Now we are moving to the top side. So here, guys, one thing I need to update you all about what you need to be aware. If your setup doesn't play along, let's say you have a trend that is downward and the market just comes into your entry point and the market just creates an impulse correction and then breaks there and comes there, it's very advisable for you to take those buying opportunities if your entry point was not respected enough. You understand? But once the market taps there, you also need to take those selling opportunities and just put your stop loss somewhere they break even. You understand? Then once the market hits your stop loss, then you can look for another entry point. You understand? Because if the market is not buying, it is gonna sell. You understand? So we just have to follow the trend, guys, and as always. So now let's get into the market breakdown. So I always start on my weekly chart. You understand? My weekly chart is one of the important thing that you need to always start. Understand? You always need to start on the highest time frame. So I'll just identify my lowest point. You understand? After my lowest point, I'll identify my highest point. You understand? So you can see I have a resistance, I have a support, and you can see the market respected that resistance there, and we have what we call a double top. So we need to look for those selling opportunities no matter what. Trust me on this one, we will just find out as we go to the smallest time frames. So I use my tool to find my zones which acts as my support and resistance. You understand? These zones, guys, are the only zones that you need to identify on your weekly, not daily, not 4 hour, not 1 hour, and so other small time frames. Understand? Oh shit. Oh, sorry about my language. Sorry, guys. Sorry, excuse me. So yeah, so these are the only zones that you need to identify on your weekly chart. You understand? Because why? It's very an advisable thing for you to do if you want to be profitable. Understand? Because there is a reason behind me using these zones on the weekly chart, because of how strong they become. You understand? They impact the market in a way that nobody understands. You understand? So be one of the traders, be one of those 1% traders that makes it. You understand? So we can tell that we had a what? Let me just also connect it somewhere there. Let me just do it. Don't be surprised. I need to see something, guys. I need to see something. Understand? Okay. So I am done identifying my zones, and we have this gap here. Understand? So this gap can't be filled. I have no power to fill the gap there, but I can try to do something by filling this zone there. Understand? It's better than nothing. Okay. So that means the market is telling you a story. If the market breaks and closes below, you have this full, guys, this full, you understand, this full space for you to just allow the market to move freely to the downside. This is where the market might be stopped out, you understand, because we have a support. Here we have nothing, you understand. So now I'll just be going to my 1 day. Before going to the 1 day chart, I'll just be using these rectangles, understand. And guys, if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping. And let's not forget to like the video so YouTube can recommend the video to many people out there so they can get the same information that you are currently getting, understand. We all need to be profitable, guys, understand. I was once also not profitable, but trust me, after I've managed to modify and find and discover this strategy, I started being profitable, you understand. So we can see we have a trend, guys. What trend do we have? We had a bearish trend, understand, and guess what? The trend was broken and there was a complete or a successful 90% draw, you understand. So the market respected that resistance and the market decided to come to the downside, you understand. And I am seeing a trend line breakout, you understand. We have a trend line breakout somewhere there, and guess what? It is a trend line breakout, you understand. So we are having a trend line breakout, and let me just clone this and also connect it to the other side. So one thing you also need to know about trend lines can act as your support and resistance. We have a support there, we have a resistance there. I know what you think, guys, understand. I know you get me. This one can be this one, guys. It can be your support, and also this one, it can be your resistance, you understand. I'll just keep it like that so you know what I mean. Now we are going to the 4-hour chart, whereby we are looking for entries, you understand, possible entries whereby we can tackle and attack the market so it can give us what we want, you understand. But don't forget, market is king. We can't control the market, we just have to follow a trend, you understand. So we obviously see that we have a breakout, understand. We have a breakout, a proper breakout. What do we need, guys? One thing of the things that you need to know, when there's always a trend line break, you always need to wait for a retest, you understand. So one thing that you also need to be aware, for the normal people who are just identifying their zones on the highest point, lowest point, they obviously have their support, their resistance there, whereby they will be waiting for the market to go there and retest, you understand. So for us who are using the golden zone, guys, for you, you understand, for you as my people, you as my subscribers, we just have to target the highest point there and this lowest point there, and we can see that we have this yellow line there whereby our entry point will be, you understand. And you just have to put your stop loss just above so the brokers can't take you out, you understand. You need to have a breathing space, you understand. So let's take out this resistance there and allow the market to have a breathing space for us to go, understand. So let's just do this. Yeah, so this is where our entry point will be, on this yellow line, understand, guys. What I'm providing here, it's very profitable and very valuable information that you need to take advantage of, you understand. Let's continue sharing the channel so the channel can grow. So we obviously need to wait for that retest and then an impulse to the downside to this 90% rule, yeah. But for now, let's just target this point here, understand. Let's just target this point, and obviously as the market breaks, we will be looking to this 90 the end of the 90% rule, and this space there, this is the space that I spoke about on the weekly chart, understand. So that is why I'm also targeting here, understand. So now let's move to another one. What are we looking for? We are looking for the highest point and the lowest point on Nasdaq, understand. Always start on your weekly chart, guys. This system or this strategy, it's very easy for you to implement in your own chart, you understand. It's very easy. It's not a rocket science. You just have to know what you are doing, and what you need to know, just follow a trend is your friend. I'll always preach that each and every day. So I have my highest point, I have my lowest point. This is my support, that is my resistance, you understand. One thing I need to know as a trader, or one thing I need to find out as a trader, is am I buying or am I selling, you understand. I am looking for sales or I am looking for buys, long or shorts, understand. So I'll always start on this on this previous candlestick, you understand. Sorry about that. So I'll always start on this previous weekly candlestick, you understand. Finding those zones, obviously finding those zones. Guys, one thing you need to know, it's very nice repeating one thing each and every day, you understand, because it gives you something, you understand, unlike repeating something each and every day but you don't get any benefit from that. So I love repeating one thing each and every day, because at the end of the day I get money for this, you understand. I put what I see here on my chart. I put what I see here on my MT4 or MT5, and then I just execute. There's nothing stopping me from making cash, understand. You also don't get to be stopped out from making cash, guys, understand. Making cash, guys, it's one of the good things that we all came here for, understand, and spreading the knowledge. So you can see, guys, that we had a support here, a beautiful support, a beautiful support, you understand, that the market respected 6 or 5 times, you understand. So we just have to see which support are we talking about. I'm sure you already see it, you understand. So we are getting there. We are pretty getting there, you understand. I just need to do this. If you have reached this far, thanks so much, guys. I appreciate it. One love, you understand. I wish you all the best. God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping. So I have this first point, second point, third point, fourth, fifth point, you understand. So 5 touches on one single support. This should tell you a story. Always, guys, the market tells you a story. The market will never leave you behind. It always leaves something in order for you to take advantage of, you understand. So one thing that you are seeing, guys, we are having a trend there. So a trend is a thing that has 2 points to be connected, you understand. You need to have 2 points for you to connect the trend line. So I have my first and my second point, and obviously there was a breakout and a retest and a movement to the top side, you understand. So on my 4 hour, I'll be looking for the golden zone, obviously. So I'll be looking for those golden zone. So this is the retest that I was talking about, guys, understand. This is the retest that I was talking about there. So I'll just be looking for a trend there. So we have a trend there, obviously, that was broken, understand. I wish I saw this entry early, but honestly I've been not trading indices the past week, understand. But today I'll be trading it on around New York, around 4 o'clock, understand, South African time. So we can see that we are going to the top side currently. So I'll just target this high there and just target this low there currently, understand. And I can see that we have to retest there at some point. So guys, I don't really advise people to buy to sell or sell to buy, understand. But if you are one of those traders that does that, I would say do it, you understand. But honestly myself, I don't tolerate that. I don't support that, you understand. So we are having a simple buy there, and obviously I won't take those buys. I'll just look for those selling opportunities, hopefully, understand. If I don't get tempted, as traders we get tempted most, you understand. So we are done using this past data. We are just focusing on the current one, understand. This is what I'm currently seeing, understand. If you are seeing the same thing that we are seeing on my chart, please comment below and tell me, understand. So on the weekly chart, guys, we'll still continue looking for that one thing always. Highest point, lowest point, zones, trend line, market structure, golden zone, confirmations. Those are the things that you need to implement in your strategy, understand. So we can see we had a low there, we had a high there, the current high and the previous low there, understand. Simple, guys, understand. No rocket science, no physics and maths here, understand. No physics and maths, understand. It's simple here, guys. The only way that you fail, it's getting losses, not getting grades, It's only getting losses. If you get a loss, that's the only way that we can say you fail, understand. But there's always a repeat and a try again, understand. You are never restricted. You are never restricted from trying again, guys. You are never restricted from trying again, understand. We are looking for our zones, guys. We are looking for our zones. Okay, so our zones, we are looking only for our zones. Understand? We are looking for our zones. Okay. Honestly speaking, German 30 has been tricky since it broke and created new highs. But you know me, beast like I always find a way, guys. You understand? I'll never let you down. I will never let you down. You understand? I'll never let you down, guys. I will never let you down. We always have to find a way. This thing is a bio-essay. You understand? Simple. You'll never be left behind, guys. I got you, got me, we got each other. But you need to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribing is very important. I got you, you got me. You need to subscribe. You understand? Bona, guys. We are washing each other's hands. Yes. Understand? I got you. I think this is enough. So let's change this into a red. It's a no-go zone. Understand? No-go zone. If we pass this, we should know sells. If we pass there, we should know buys. Understand? Move to daily now. On the daily, we can pretty see something. You understand? I am smelling sales here, guys. I'm smelling sales. Who else can smell sales? I'm smelling sales here. So let's see. I have a trend line that has 2 touches already. Understand? I have a trend line that has 2 touches already. So I'll connect it from this high there to the low there. Understand? I'll connect it there. Wow, this trend is not trending. Okay. Yeah, now it's trending. So I have a trend inside a trend. Understand? So I am looking for those sellings. If it was me, guys, and I saw this earlier, I was gonna enter on top of this. Understand? And just put my stop loss somewhere there. But then I didn't see it. Understand? It happened when? Today it's Monday. Is it Monday? Tuesday? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's Tuesday, guys. Is it true? I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, it happened the day before. Understand? And then yeah, it formed the next day. I don't know, guys. I don't know whether it's Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, I don't know if it's Monday or Tuesday, but then yeah, I'll just check. Okay. So let's see there. Okay. So we have our first and our second touch. Obviously, we need to have a third touch to move to the top. But if it breaks also here, we are looking to there. But currently, we are looking here. This is the 90%. This is the end of the 90%. But what you need to know, 90% don't always occur. You understand? Don't always occur. So one thing you need to know, let's go to our daily to see a low and a high. So we have a low there, guys. You see there. And we have a high there. So we are having an entry point there. Stop loss just below Nyana there. Obviously take profit there. Understand? This is what we are currently looking for. Understand? So now let's go to, let me just delete this Fibonacci, and then let's move to the 4-hour chart to confirm. Understand? Just to confirm. So we're having that low there and that high there. Yeah, it's confirmed. You understand? So it's confirmed. So this is our entry there. You understand? The market needs to come tap there and then give us that third touch there and then move to the top. But if it breaks, we are coming to this red line. Understand? So this is my anticipation for indices. This is my anticipation for indices. I won't lie. Let's see if there's a resistance. Most traders are seeing a resistance on this point there, understand? But then I am looking for the market to come down there, understand? I don't control the market. If the market does not give me any entry, I won't force anything, guys, understand? I have to trade what I see, not what I think, understand? This is one of the things that I always tell myself. And also, the trend is your friend, guys. Keep that in mind, you understand? So it's your one and only BeastLeg72, as you all know me, your mentor. Have a productive and a profitable week. God bless you. I love you all, and thanks for subscribing. And please, let's grow the channel and share the channel so the channel can grow and we can also grow as people, and so I can be motivated. God bless. Be profitable and productive. See you next time.